Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting studio. Today is Sewing Talk Tuesday, and so I wanted to just hop right on in here and just show you what I've been working on and talk about things that are coming up and all kinds of cool stuff like that. So today I want to tell you about the Bountiful Charity Quilt. I have not started it yet, so I will be doing live sew-alongs with that one. So if you are going to sew along that quilt with me, then we will be working on that here, I believe, this Friday evening. So make sure that you have all of your stuff. The pattern is free. You can get it at thatquartershop.com, and you can use your own fabric if you would like to, or you can purchase the kit that she has for sale. So I purchased the kit, I've unboxed it, and I showed you everything that was in it, and I am so excited to get in there and just start cutting up the fabrics and whatnot. And I have a lot of projects going on right now, so that's why I'm kind of just sewing at my own leisure at this point. Same with the Bountiful quilt. I will be sewing that at my own leisure. I'm not in a rush to, get those blocks done right this very second. So I'm just going to sew along and enjoy the process because I don't get to do that very often. So with that quilt, that is what I'm going to be doing. I want to thank everybody for 40,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, we did it. I cannot believe it. And I'm so excited to get to 50,000. So we will definitely be cruising along there. We're already on our way. So I couldn't do it without all of you. So I just want to say thank you so much for your support and your love throughout the years. You guys are amazing. I couldn't have a better quilting community, crafting community, embroidery community around me. So you guys all rock. Thank you. Today I went live and I was testing out the new system that I have, just to make sure that it works, and it does. I'm still having troubles getting the two cameras to work. So what I'm going to do, because what I would really like to do is have one that focuses strictly on my cutting table and then the other one at my sewing machine. That way, we can look at you can see different angles, and I don't have to move the camera around so that you get dizzy when I'm live. So if you weren't able to join in the live today, it is under the live videos on my channel, and you can go check it out there. It's just me sewing the Hunter Star. Why do I keep calling it a Hunter Square? It's not a Hunter Square. The Hunter Star block. I was sewing some of the rows together, and I went live because honestly, I need to just get this quilt done. And so I'm just going to do that to hold myself accountable. So if you want to just come and sit and chit chat with me while I do that, then that is awesome. So I want to show you what it looks like so far. I've only got the 2 rows put together, but look at that beauty. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at it. I am loving this. Those colors are amazeballs. Look at that. So I still need to press the seams. That's why it's looking a little bit on the rough side there, but oh my goodness, you guys. So cool. So very, very cool. I love it. Love it, love it. So yeah, so there's that. Okay, so I bought these threads at the quilt store. These are, it's called Ceracore, and I don't know if you've ever used it before, but I got it from my long arm machine because somebody had recommended it, and I am excited. So I have 2 of the pinks, 2 of the whites, 2 of the cream, and then this one is like a peachy color. It's real pretty. But I got these so that I can, when we quilt the Hunter Star quilt, it'll look beautiful. And I'm going to try these threads. So if you have a long arm machine and you have tried these before and you've used Ceracore, then let me know how you like it. Because I've not used these before because I haven't had a long arm. And so I'm getting ready to, this will be our first quilt that we quilt on the long arm. I'll show you how to load the quilts, and we'll do everything. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at there. And if you do have a long arm and you don't like Cerator, then what threads do you use to quilt your quilts on your long arm, through your long arm quilting machine? Because I'm finding that I don't really like cotton thread in my quilting machine. There we go. Also, wanted to show you this. This is amazing, you guys. So, Dime Designs in Machine Embroidery was kind enough to send this to me. And this is a bird's nest solution. So let me tell you, I haven't opened this up yet. But what makes it so great is, you know, when you're sewing along, or if you're embroidering, because this happens in quilting as well. So quilters, you might want to look at this as well. So if you're embroidering or you're quilting and underneath your needle plate, you get that nesting of thread and you can't get it out and it's stuck to your project, and you're afraid that, you know, when you yank it, you're going to tear it. You can't get scissors underneath there. You can't get your little snips underneath there because nothing just seems to take it out. Ta-da! Right here. So, and they even have this packaged good. We're going to open this together because I want to show you what this looks like. Pardon me there. I had to get my little X-Acto knife. Come on. Come on. I'm trying to open this without cutting things open. There we go, maybe. Come on. Oh, perfect. All right. So, what you would do is you take your hook. This is so cute. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I love this. Okay, so they send you this little case that you keep in, or you buy this. And then right here, now these are very, very sharp, so we got to be careful. So you get an extra blade. It's a surgical blade. So what you do is you hook this underneath that thread, that nest underneath your sewing machine, like that. Then you will take this very, very sharp tool and you're going to get underneath it and you're just going to cut those threads, and that'll release it. I mean, how cool is that? Wow, this is pretty sharp looking. So keep the blade on. If you have kids around, you're going to want to definitely have the blade on it. So, and then you just stick it back in its little case. You can see where they go. That's where the blade goes, and this is where the hook goes. So, I mean, this is awesome. I can't wait to try this out. I mean, don't get me wrong. I don't want anything to nest up, but, you know, it does happen. So should be fun. Anyway, so I wanted to share that with you guys because this is really cool. And you can get this at Designs in Machine Embroidery. So their website is linked down below in the description box of this video. Pretty nifty. Also wanted to let you know that the Crafty Author crew is up and running. The Crafty Author crew is made up of myself, my niece, and my mom. And we are doing Cricut projects over there, DIY weddings, any kind of crafting that you like to do. This channel, the Crafty Author, is mostly quilting and embroidery, as you know. Sometimes I do some, you know, heat transfer vinyl and that sort of thing, but we're trying to move some of that over there so that I can keep this channel specifically for this. And I was looking at something on that quilt. So that's what we're doing with that. Also, I want to show you the first project that we made. So if you did not get to see our first project, it's really cute. So we made these gnome mugs. This is my niece's mug. My niece drew these mugs, or drew those gnomes for us. So they are unique to us. So this is hers because she's a coffee lover. This one is my mom's because my mom makes wreaths and floral arrangements, and my mom was a hippie back in the day. So this one is hers, and I think it turned out so stinking cute. She put her name in the middle, and then the other side is her gnome again. So cute. And then this one is mine. And you can see, I love ladybugs. So I love ladybugs, bumblebees, all that. But so there's my ruler. And here is my rotary cutter. And of course, I put my name on there. And we used, and again, my niece drew all these little gnomes for us. We used the Cricut infusible ink pens to do this. So if you're interested in learning how to use your Cricut, you might want to head over to the Crafty Author crew. We've only got 2 videos up right now, but it will grow as we continue to move on. So super cute. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Do not forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to share because sharing is caring. Also, make sure you click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video, and keep on crafting. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.